step into the 2003 Ford Ranger Edge Plus, Bedliner. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4 black cargo box tie-down hooks, 4 cab doors included, dual rear doors hinged at C-pillars, 15 aluminum wheels, 19.5-gallon fuel tank, 4-pin trailer tow wiring harness, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, 5-speed automatic transmission with OD, 58 amp-hour, 540 cca battery and 6-feet pickup box. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.